Hello everyone, welcome to Uni's Corner. Today we are going to collect kokum fruits in a surrounding area. Due to recent cyclone, many kokum fruits fell and these fruits when dried becomes the important ingredient in Goan curries. As we share our trip, I want to talk about success. As I grew up, I have seen people building standards defining their success level. Be it socially, financially, people have defined success by building materialistic world around them. And as someone like me, constantly striving to be successful in life, had known that a successful world is all about riches. But today, I feel success to every person is different. I believe every individual should define what success means to them. For me, successful life is the one living with content. If I am content with what I do, with what I have, and the people I am around with, then I don't think there is anything in this world that can make me more happy. We live in a fast-paced world with lot of incentives to do more, be more successful. But one of the best things that you can do is to define your success. Having that, it will help you to focus on your mantra of success. We constantly feel like comparing ourselves with other people's life, which we come across on social media, or doubting our success in our lives by comparing success of others. It is easier to get distracted in today's world. But if you define what success means to you, then you will let go what other people are doing or what society thinks, and we will stop caring what others think of us, as we know what success means to us. It is not making tons of money or having the nicest house or a car. Reality is that there is not just one way of what success means. Every one of us comes from different backgrounds, have lived our lives on certain values, always dreamed of designing our lives as we want. One would define success as having a good family life, another would define success by being fashionista, inspiring others. What I'm trying to say here is what success means to you is personal to you, is most valued to you. So work on it without judging yourself, as defining your success will give you a path as what matters to you in life, and not striving towards things that you might not even want and will only add stress and complications to your life. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this topic. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and you can share to me what success means to you. I will see you next week.